Okwuluora and Igbo is life in Abakaliki. His life in Abakaliki, and he's here. You know, we all know his normal way, helping people, helping the less privileged. But today we appreciate the fact that he came all the way from Enugu to see us.
Okay.
So he's just here, the normal Okwuluora meet and greet.
Okay, so what mean of Okwuluora?
Okay, the meaning of Okwuluora, that's mouth of the people.
Okay.
Someone that speaks on behalf of the masses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time.
Next question. In which German city with your phone is the headquarters of Mercedes-Benz? Again, in Germany, Mercedes-Benz. Which city? Stuttgart! In 1986, I want you to know how to find information. In 1986, FIFA Senior World Cup was held. FIFA, wait, can you put up your money that time? I'm telling you a story. In 1986, FIFA World Cup was held. Who hosted that FIFA World Cup and who won? 1986. How about World Cup in 1986? Find it from Google there. And if you fail, -3 points.
And guess who we have here? We have one and only Kenny Clever. Kenny Clever, why are you here?
Okay, I'm actually here because of Okwuluora. Okwuluora is hosting an event in Abakaliki here. So actually I was one of the people that was called out to come and perform. So I will be performing today for the event Okwuluora is hosting here today.
Tell me one song you are going to be singing for them.
Okay, I think I'm going to be performing my new song, Odo. And nobody, maybe Zone can come in as well.
Nobody know.
Nobody know. Omotem as well.
Thank you very much.
Next question. In 1996, a city hosted the Olympics. And who won the gold medal football category? Which city hosted the Olympics in 1996? The football male category, who won in 1996?
Atlanta hosted it in 1996.
Who won? You are not sure. Who hosted?
Atlanta hosted in 1996.
Who won?
Argentina.
You are wrong, -1 point. Who hosted and who won?
It was Olympic.
Don't read. Don't read. Don't stand up and read. Who hosted? Who hosted?
Atlanta.
Who won?
Nigeria.
Correct! Next question. There was, listen, an Igbo military man and politician, Aguiyi Ironsi,